Namaskar, good morning, brothers and sisters, scholars, listeners, sportsmen, professionals, officials, those who are listening around the world, watching around the world. I welcome Saint Dr. Rakesh. Today, it is very important time. Today, now and here, there are three concepts that are very important for all of us. These three things, today, now and here, these are very close to 24 hours, because now is the symbol of time, present time. Here is the symbol of place, and today tells us 24 hours. So these 24 hours are very important for us to know, to understand the whole earth, because earth takes 24 hours in its rotation. So all the changes that come in days and nights, that are due to 24 hours. So these 24 hours very important for all the professionals, all the students, doctors, advocates, ministers, for all of us, for everyone. If he or she knows how to spend these 24 hours, then he knows how he leads his routine happily. This is very important to understand. Student life, that we start from the school. School is the first institution of learning. In our school, we spend a lot of time with teachers, friends, students. In the school, it fills us, it makes us dreamy. We start to take dream, to do something different. Our ambition, our objective, our aim start from our school life. So this student life is very important life. These are the formative years. After reaching in college, college is also the advanced study of the life. In the college, we learn lot of different things that are more different from the fundamentals from our foundation days. So this college life is very important to lead a successful old age, because in the youth, in the college life, we extend our freedom. No doubt, in our school, we enjoy a lot of freedom. But the field of freedom is extended in the college. After college, we enter at the level of university education. In the university, our brain, our mind develop the most, because that is the universal kind of study we try to gain. That is the most powerful thing of the world. We try to know, we try to meditate, we try to think on others, and the field of freedom is the largest at this level, and we try to go into the research where there is the possibility of research. In the university, we understand in the whole, we try to understand our personality, we try to understand ourselves, society, nation, and we become ready to serve the society and nation. This is the level. After completing the study of university, we reach in the competitive field.